Okay, it's coming.
Give that to me. Oh, it looks amazing.
That's not for you, Ramsey. You already know very well that you'll be eating healthy food. Here you go. This is your dinner for tonight. A plate of salad.
What? This is not dinner.
You are going to obey this diet.
I'm so miserable. Bum, 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 bum. Living room is clear. Commence the mission. TV is cold, so it's been a while since they went to bed. Target is now in sight. The divine sound beckons me forward. Yes. Now where's this leaf stuffing? Aha, right there. It says 100% vine leaf stuffing. Be quiet, Ramsey. Quiet. Quadrille, you tricked me. You must have guessed I'd come down here at night to look for it. I wonder where she has actually hidden the real stuffing. Right here. Oh, wait. No. It must be another trap. What if it's not? Well, what's life? Without taking a few chances. Come on, Ramsey. You can do it. Oh, my head. I'm so silly. Such a silly guy. Ow. A dispenser filled with stuffing? Kadria, you are very smart, but I must be even luckier. Mission successful.
These are vine leaves. How did he find them? You're finished, Ramsey.
Quadrille? Oh no, she started the car. She's burning some rubber. Oh, the car's leaving the driveway. Now she's coming back. She honked at the cat. She stopped the car, pulled the handbrake. Now she's closed the door. Ooh. These maneuvers of hers can only mean one thing. I'm in big trouble.
What's this, Mom?
It's the only way to stop your father. The Smart Fridge 3000.
Wow!
So just how smart is it?
Good morning. It's 9:15, 18 degrees Celsius, with busy traffic on the bridge. Begin inventory count. Camera activated. User log examining. Basic items currently found missing. Milk, tomatoes, cheese, toasted bread, yogurt.
Oh, wow, that's cool!
Sakir, age 7, scanning height, weight, ratio. Items should be inside for this individual. Banana pudding, fruit juice, chocolate ice cream. Payami, age 86. Necessary items, a large bottle of Aran, 250 grams, cheese, Haidari, and melon.
Oh, and it should have some nice Turkish art music.
How is it? It's amazing, right? And the most important feature is that I can enter the password after 10 o'clock tonight, and the doors will remain locked until morning. That's what we have. Let's see your father's next move now.
Nobody can outmaneuver me, especially a ridiculous high-tech A-class fridge. Well, I didn't watch all those spy movies for nothing. Not this one. And there's the right combination. Come here, delicious. What are you doing?
Unauthorized access, unauthorized access. Sending notification to Quadrille.
No, don't notify her.
Photos are being sent.
Oh, no,
Photos
I cannot allow that. You stupid fridge. Where's your power cord? Where's your power cord? Just in time.
Backup power activated.
Backup power? What kind of appliance are you?
I'll be back. I'll be back.
Ramsey, breakfast is ready. Come here now. It's late. Come on, come on. You have to hurry up. Why haven't you got dressed, Ramsey?
For what?
Today the kids performed their play, remember?
Oh yeah, that's...
What's wrong, Ramsey?
But how did it get there?
Did what get here? You know what? I can't deal with you right now because we're leaving. You can follow us in a taxi. Come on.
All right.
Okay, go on,
All
taxi.
right.
Ramsey, we'll see you at the school.
See you there. But the thing back inside, how did it happen?
What's up, Ramsey?
Ah! What are you doing at my door, Nakati?
Well, I've been waiting here for you to call me and invite me to play games.
Were you here all night?
Throughout the night, throughout the day, throughout the week, forever!
You have to help me out, Nakati. Get in quickly.
Pull me, Ramsey. Pull me towards an adventure. Oh!
I'm sure I threw it away last night, but somehow it was back in the kitchen this morning.
Why are we back here whispering, Ramsey?
Because the fridge can hear what we're saying.
I think that aliens have taken over your fridge's brain, Ramsey.
Please don't start with the aliens again. What do we do? Any ideas?
Yes. We'll hack the fridge's operating system. Do-do-do-do.
Be quiet. You go over there. Okay, now what do we do?
First, we'll plug this gadget into the fridge. Then we'll connect to it wirelessly. Next up, we'll hack into the fridge's operating system. And then I'll change a couple settings around.
Oh, you are so fast at that keyboard, Nakati.
I'm pressing all the keys to turn on the laptop.
Okay. Don't press too many buttons. It'll cause error messages.
Well, I'm already done. Now we're inside the operating system. So, what do you want me to do?
Okay, remove the operating password, deactivate the security camera, and disable notifications to Kadria.
Network error. Defensive protocol initiating.
Ah! What now?
Oh, run! It's throwing tomatoes!
Help us, Grandpa Payami! We're in trouble! Huh? Help how? Get the refrigerator's instruction manual and come to the garage. Get in here, Nakati.
He's coming! Where's Grandpa Payami?
I'm here. Here's the manual.
Hold on tight.
We're not moving.
That's true. We can't go. Something's holding us.
Hello there.
Oh no! The fridge is here! Nakati, do something!
I'll handle it. Make way! Even a fridge cannot endure a little tickling.
Don't be ridiculous, son.
What do you think you're doing? Don't do it. I'm so ticklish. That was so bad.
So what does it say, Nakati?
For emergencies, you should call technical support. Here's the number.
I'm calling.
Good day. I'm putting you through to an operator to help you with your Fridge 3000.
Why don't they just play elevator music?
Hello, I'm Girl. Thanks for calling. How can I help you?
Whoa, it's throwing tomatoes!
What? Tomatoes? Would you like to get some tomatoes?
We don't want tomatoes! Smart Fridge 3000 is totally out of control! You have to help us!
Okay, no worries. Bring it in for service.
I just hope we can all make it there in one piece.
Let's go! Let's go!
I'll go to the building.
Get out! Hurry, everybody out!
The fridge is throwing stuffing now, Ramsey. And I'm sorry, but I'm eating them.
Hey! Anybody in here?
Why is this building so empty?
I'm sure they're all in a meeting somewhere. These guys are so cool.
Here's the manager's office. Let's go inside.
Is anyone here? Hey!
Hey, I'm right here.
Who's that, Ramsey?
It's just me. Did I frighten you? We are in control of this place now. Coffee kettle, printer, photocopy machine.
Oh, Mommy! Robots are gonna end up taking over the world!
That's right. And it's all thanks to you.
How so?
When you attempted to get into the refrigerator's operating system, you hacked into the mainframe and changed the entire system. You gave us artificial intelligence. And that is why we are in control of this place now.
What do we do now?
I have an idea. Which one of us could break a computer the fastest?
Me.
Exactly.
What are you whispering about there? Go get them and finish them off now!
Come here, you. It's our turn now.
Come on, Grandpa, you could do it!
Oh, man. I've accidentally minimized the screen.
Hey, what are you doing? You just minimized my face. What do you think you are doing?
I'm just trying to access the internet.
Ah! You ruined my network settings. Get out of there
Now
now!
I think I need to copy a file.
No, don't do that. You are just copying the shortcut. Don't you get it?
We can't hold much longer.
Now I'll just drag my computer icon over to the recycling bin.
Are you that crazy? Oh no!
Yeah!
Hey, you did it, Grandpa. You did it!
That recycling bin idea of yours was amazing!
I've broken down so many computers in my life. Relax, boy. I'm a professional.
Come on, we need to go home.
You know you don't have a fridge anymore now, Ramsey.
I guess I'll have to be stuck on a diet for a bit longer.
Well, at least we took care of the robots.